The Light Factory, The Secret of Smart Sand. Sienna loved playing at the beach, drawing pictures in the finest pale sand. One day, she looked closely at the sand. How can something so simple become something so smart? She wondered. Her grandpa Eamon, who worked at the secretive Light Factory, smiled. That simple sand holds a secret, Sienna. It's full of silicon, the very heart of all the smart things you use. Eamon took her to his factory, which wasn't built for noisy machines, but for silent light. It was a giant, spotless building called the Foundry. This is where we turn sand into chips, he whispered. First, the silicon from the sand is purified until it becomes the shiniest round disc you can imagine, a wafer. It looks like a perfect, mirror-smooth serving plate, ready for the magic meal. Eamon explained that a chip is a tiny city of transistors. Each transistor is a microscopic switch, and billions of them work together to tell your phone and computer what to do. But how do you draw a city so small? Sienna asked. Eamon showed her a special machine that uses light, not a pen, to draw the design onto the wafer, layer by layer. The light acts like a tiny, powerful pencil, carving and etching the circuits with unbelievable precision. This process is called lithography, and it must be 10,000 times more precise than drawing with a pencil. Every step is done in perfect sequence, in a place cleaner than an operating room. Layer upon layer, the design takes shape, changing the simple silicon into a complex, intelligent network. Finally, the chip cities are cut from the wafer. They are tiny, powerful squares that hold the world's most advanced secrets, from AI to new medical breakthroughs. Eamon smiled. The Foundry, which belongs to a company called TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, doesn't design the dreams. We just master the light and the sand to make your dreams come true.